Saturn does not ask us to give up our dreams, only to make them real. Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Shrimali. I wish you all health, wealth and love in your life. Today I will tell you about effect of Saturn return. But firstly, let me tell you about Saturn. Saturn is one of the beautiful planets of our solar world. Saturn is considered to be a malefic planet. Sorrow, pain, death, journey, age, slavery, and arms are signified by Saturn. But it is not your enemy. Saturn can change your life in positive manner. Saturn is called Yama because it is the chief governor of longevity. Profession ruled by Saturn is engineering, administrator, judiciary, surgeon, event planner, or business ruled by Saturn is iron, chemicals, petrol, oil, building material, transportation, building construction, liquor, coal, properties. Body parts ruled by Saturn are teeth, skin, hair, ears, knees, etc. Saturn return is typically a time when you have to make your own luck. Saturn will return on 9th of February. Let's see how it will put impact on your zodiac sign. Let's start with Aries. Business persons may achieve success, but for this you have to work hard. If you are in job, then you may get transferred to your native place. Students, artists and players may face some difficulties, but you will get success in your luck. In any kind of competition, you will beat your opponents. Spend some time with your family and loved ones. That will make your bond stronger. Pay more attention towards health of your elder ones. You may go on short trip with your family and friends. Let's move on to Taurus. Business persons should avoid investment in new ventures. Your luck may not support you. If you are in a job, you may get promotion at your workplace because of your smart work. Student, artists and players may get success and will get the fruits of their hard work. Try to avoid unnecessary disputes in the family. Take special care of your parents because they may face some health issues. Personal and professional trip may expect it. Let's move to Gemini. Business persons will see good profit of investment. Expansion of business is expected. If you are planning to change your job, then this time is perfect for you. Student, artists and players will do great in their respective field. You will get help in balancing your personal and professional life. You have to take special care of your mother's health. You may go on long drive with loved ones. Let's move to Cancer. You may get new business partner and it will give you new heights of your business. Change of job is advisable. For your financial growth, for student, players and artists, work patiently in odd. Avoid getting involved in unnecessary work and disputes. It is not auspicious time for your health, so do yoga and meditation. You may go for frequent trips with family and friends. Let's move to Leo. Expansion of business is expected. But remember one thing, that save money and decorate tomorrow. Job related opportunities may knock your door. Student, artists and players may get some unexpected results. You will experience good physical and mental health. So do yoga and meditation. Be polite to your partner and family members. You can get an opportunity to travel with family and friends. Let's move to Virgo. In business, you should avoid making any kind of investments. You can apply for new jobs and results will be in your favor. For student, artists and players, there can be growth in the field of career. But you have to work hard for this. Irregular routines and stress can affect your health. It is good to do yoga and walk regularly. Property related disputes may arise. If you are unmarried, you may get married. A family trip is planned for you. Let's move to Libra. For business persons, it is a good time for investment. Do investment in stock market, long time real estate, or cosmetics, cloth industry, or leather industry also. It will give you better results. If you are unemployed, then chances of getting dream job is very high. Confidence of students, players and artists may increase and you will see the benefit in your personal life. You will go on a long journey with your partner or family members. You will rid off from health issues which you are facing from long time. Let's move to Scorpio. Business persons may get good success because of past investments. You may get transferred or promoted at your workplace. Student, artists and players will get success, but for this you have to work hard. You may get an opportunity to travel for work, and this trip will give you good career growth. Do not get involved in family disputes and matters. Otherwise, your relationship may get affected. Your health will be matter of concern. So take special care of your diet. Let's move to Sagittarius. Business persons will see good profit because of your hard work and smart work also. You may have job in your hands by the end of this month. Be honest at your workplace. This honesty will give you great results. Take a little time away from work and try to hang out with family or friends. A balanced diet and regular exercise will be beneficial for your health. Control your emotions and think before you speak. Try to avoid traveling to hilly areas. Let's move to Capricorn. Business persons may face economic challenges, so think before any investments. If you are in job, then your reputation will increase at workplace. Student, artists and players will get new opportunities and you will perform really well. Try to stay away from any kind of legal disputes. To stay healthy, keep eye on your diet and avoid oily food. Exercising regularly will be beneficial for you. Personal and professional trip is expected. Let's move to Aquarius. Business persons may face financial difficulties, so spend accordingly. You may lose your job. Pay more attention at your workplace. Your health will be good and you will feel more energetic than before. Student, artists and players need to focus on target. This will give you great success. Don't expect too much from your spouse. Try to spend a good time with them. You may go at spiritual places with family and friends. Let's move to Pisces. Business persons are expected to keep eye on expenses that may affect your profit. For professional growth, you can change your job. You will establish your identity at your workplace. Student, artists and players may face difficulties but work hard for better result. Try to spend time with loved ones for strong relationships. Dear friends, this would be a great time to go on holiday with friends or family. Now, I am suggesting some remedies. These remedies will help you for better future. Wear black color clothes on Saturday. Observe salt-free fast on Tuesday. Donate black color shoe to needy people. Chant Hanuman Chalisa on Tuesday and Saturday. However, this is just a generalized forecast. If you have any personal and professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic appointment or video conferencing. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. At the end, good luck and tons of best wishes. God bless you in whatever you do. Best of luck. Thanks for watching this video. Namaskar. Take care. Bye bye.